Hello children, welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss about SQL basics. SQL, Structured Query Language, is a language that enables you to create and operate on relational databases. It is the standard language used by almost all the database software vendors, pronounced as SQL. Original version was developed by IBM's Almaden Research Center. Latest ISO standard of SQL was released in 2008 and named as SQL 2008. SQL features allows creating or modifying a database structure, changing security settings for system, permitting users for working on databases or tables, querying database, inserting, modifying, deleting the database contents. MySQL elements are literals, data types, nulls and comments. First one, literals. It means the fixed value or constant value. It may be of character, numeric or datetime type. Character and datetime literals are always in single quotation marks, whereas numeric literals must be without single quotation marks. Example, Virat, that is character, so enclosed within single quotes. 12 numeric value, 12.56, this is also a numeric value. Then the date, that also enclosed with a single quote. Date and time values are always in the format year, month, day, hour, minute and seconds. Special character like quotes are always written be preceding it backslash. For example, if we want to store value as Tom's cat, that is this quote, we need this Tom's cat, then it should be written as Tom backslash then apostrophe. That means quote s cat. Then only we will get this Tom's cat. Okay. Then the next one is data type. Means the type of value and type of operation we can perform on data. That is a data type. For example, on numeric value we can store numbers and perform all arithmetic operations and so on. MySQL support three categories of data types: numeric, date and time and string. First one, numeric data type. These data types are int, tiny int, small int, medium int, big int, float and double. Int, you know about this, numbers without decimal. Store up to 11 digits. Tiny int, small integer value between 0 to 255. Small int, more than tiny int between this one to this, 5 digits values. Medium int, integer values up to 9 digits. Big int, very large integer value up to 11 digits. Then next one, float, m, d, real numbers. Real numbers, that is number with the decimal values. M specify length of numeric value including decimal place, d and decimal symbol. For example, if it is given as float 8,2, then 5 integer value, 1 decimal symbol and 2 digit after decimal, total 8. It can work on 24 digits after decimal. 5 integer value, 1 decimal symbol and 2 decimal digit. 2 digit after decimal point. Total 8. Float m, d, that means m for length of the integer value. Then d for how many decimal digits we need. M for total values. Total values. Clear? M for total values, total decimal places, total places. Clear this one? Float m, d. Then double m, d. Real numbers with more precision up to 53 place after decimal. That is this double. Okay. Then date and time types. Date. A date in year, month, day. Format between this one to this one. 1001 to 9999 12 31st. Date time, combination of date and time. For example, to store 4th December 2018 and time is afternoon 3:30, then it should be written as this, like this. Date and time, date time. Timestamp, similar to date time, but it is written without hyphen. For example, the above date time is stored as like this. Timestamp. Time, to store time in the format hour, minute, second. Year, to store only year part of date, where M may be 2 or 4, that is year in 2 digit like 18 or 4 digit like 2018. Okay, clear? Next one, string types, char, varchar, blob, enum. These are the string data types. Char, fixed length string between 1 and 255. It always occupy M size for each data. For example, if size is char 20 and we store value mobile, although the size of mobile is 6, but in the table it will occupy 20 size with space padded at right side of the remaining place. Mostly used in the case where the data to be inserted is of fixed size like grade, A, B, C, etc. or employee code as E001, E002, etc. In this case, char will give better performance than varchar. Char is fixed length string. Total characters it will take for a value. We are specifying the M's value as 20. Always it will take the 20 characters. Clear? Then varchar, that is variable length string between 1 and 255. It takes size as per the data entered. For example, with varchar of 20, if the data entered in mobile, then it will take only 6 bytes. It is useful for the data like name, address, where the number of character to be entered is not fixed. Varchar is variable length string. Char is fixed length string. Okay. Then blob, fixed length string up to this number. Enum provides list of values that can only be entered in any column. For example, with department column, if it is given as DEPT enum, this one IT, HR, RD, then the department column cannot enter value other than this one, that is enum. Okay, these are the string data types. Then what is the difference between char and varchar? We already discussed this one. Char, fixed length string, varchar, variable length string. It's varying. Used where number of characters to enter is fixed like grade, EMP code, etc. Used where number of characters to be entered is not fixed like name, address, etc. Fast, no memory allocation every time when we are using this char. Slow, as it takes size according to data, so every time memory allocation is done. It takes more memory, it takes less space. Okay, this is very important. What is the difference between char and varchar? Then null value. What is this null value? Null means missing information. Null can appear in any type of column if it is not restricted by not null or primary key. Always remember, null is either equal to 0 nor space. Null means nothing. Always remember, null is neither equal to 0 nor space. Null means nothing. Used in situation like if email ID is not available with students, then we will insert null value. Then the next one is comments. It is a text that is not executed, only for documentation purpose. Comments in MySQL can be written as begin with comment with slash, star and star slash. Begin with comment with hyphen followed by a space. Begin with comment with hash symbol. Example, slash star select star from EMP where EMP number is equal to 4 star slash. This is a comment statement. Then select star from EMP semicolon, then hyphen, 2 hyphen. It will fetch all details. This is the comment statement. It will fetch all details. Clear? This comments? Okay students, I hope all of you understood about SQL basics and data types of SQL, MySQL. Study these all topics in a systematic way. Along with this video, I attached the notes and questions. Take down the notes and try to answer the questions in it. That's all about today's session. See you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.